Instead of having to deal with Dodge dealers that likes to defraud customers or don't want to put in warranty claims or price gouge them or be racist towards all the black customers by overcharging them more like Napletons, now I have to deal with actually Motortrend, because now it seems that Motortrend is in their fields about me basically talking about the last call event and using clips from the event in my videos. It seemed to happen, I think like 2 or 3 nights ago. I believe just there sitting in bed, put my son in bed and stuff. The next thing I know, ding. Oh, you got a copyright strike. Then like 30 minutes later, ding, got a copyright strike. And then 10 minutes later, ding, you got a copyright strike. Then I think like 2 hours later, ding, you got a copyright strike. I'm like, what the heck is going on? So I'm starting to look through on my phone. I'm going like, what the heck did I get a copyright strike for? I'm going like, this is not making any sense. And then as I start doing some digging into these claims, I see that it's actually Discovery Channel that is now, well, you shut up, golly. Now, if you don't know why Discovery Channel is giving me copyright strikes on my channel, it's because Motortrend is owned by Discovery Channel, from what I can tell. I've already had conversations within Dodge, and you probably already know who I talked to. And they basically told me that, yeah, they basically partnered with Motortrend to do the last call Las Vegas event. So I started asking the question, to Dodge, going like, is there a reason why I'm specifically getting copyright strikes talking about Dodge at the last call event for the D170? I mean, I know I've been a very vocal critic over a year span since the event on the Demon, telling all the crazy stuff going on with it. I've never gotten a copyright strike from Dodge over this stuff. I'll be the first to admit, from probably the last 2-3 years, I've been very, very critical of Dodge, but they never gave me a copyright strike. I never got one from Dodge, never got one from Ram, Chrysler, Fiat, nobody, Stellantis, none of that crap. And here we go, me talking about this event that now all of a sudden I'm getting copyright strikes. And now, for some reason, there's an issue with it a year after the event. But now I had to deal with Motortrend instead of dealing with Dodge dealers, like where the real issues are right now, and these Dodge dealers. Instead of dealing with them, now I got to deal and turn my attention to Motortrend and have an understanding of what's going on. So I just tried to call a contact within Motortrend because I actually got one from Dodge. It just, oh, here we go right here. Motortrend, let's have this conversation. Yes, hello, Jamie. So yeah, I just had a nice, interesting conversation with an executive at Motortrend. And I'm just going to say that, I wish that he would have called me back when he had more time to actually let me explain what happened rather than trying to rush me into like, hey, tell me exactly what's going on. Because I got the feeling that he was only talking to me because he wanted to do a favor for Dodge. That's literally the only thing I got from that, right? Because I'll show you right here. I'm going to blur it out the screen. They only had a 5-minute conversation. It's kind of hard to tell someone or talk to someone about stuff going on that doesn't make any sense for 5 minutes. You got two people trying to talk. I mean, I understand I'm like a peon compared to him, but I wish he would have had the time to like just wait till after he was doing what he's doing to have a conversation with me rather than just tell me, hey, tell me exactly what the issue is and I'll just have the people fix it and we'll be done with it. But that's not the issue. The issue is I'm getting copyright strikes because somebody cherry picked this footage. Now, I would clarify that, because he did tell me that, well, this footage is also on our channel too. I'm going like, well, if you look at literally all of Dodge's literature, when they basically promoted the event, they only told you that you can go on Dodge's YouTube channel to go see it. And you can see it in the actual live streams stats that over 2.6 million people watched Dodge's version of the live stream, and maybe like 100,000 people watched Motortrend's version of the live stream. Like, I didn't know Motortrend was even doing it. I thought they were just presenting it. So I'm going like, I guess they were just presenting like the day-to-day stuff that's going on. The actual live stream was just Dodge. I would give them that, like, I didn't know it was on Motortrend. So that just proves my point that I didn't even go grab this footage from Motortrend because this footage is directly on Dodge's YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you a prime example of what the issue is. Like, me telling him exactly what the issue is for him to fix is not gonna solve this issue because it still opens the damn door that I'm gonna have the same issue again once whoever cherry pick me or cherry pick my videos, they're gonna be like pissed off. Oh, boss man told me I had to, you know, drop this daggone copyright claim. Oh, let me go and cherry pick some more stuff from other people too. So let me show you an example. Oh, let me grab the wrong window. I'm gonna show you a prime example of what we're talking about, right? So you can see right there, I got a monetization strike. And then you'll see right here, from 1:32 to 2:02, so basically 30 seconds. So basically 30 seconds, they said I couldn't use this clip right here. And this is basically Jay Leno not knowing what all the last call cars was. Like, I mean, if you're like Jay Leno's stature and stuff, is Jay Leno concerned about all these last call cars? And I don't know whether this is around the same time period where just a few months before he was in a little fire, we burnt part of his face and stuff. So I think this is right around that same time period. So it's literally that clip of him talking to, we'll go to 201 and right there. So basically just him talking to Chris Hansen, that's it. I mean, and there's no music playing in there at the event. All you hear is wind, the track getting prepped, and basically just people commenting. So apparently that clip with Jay Leno talking is basically a copyright strike for me. Now, the funny part is they only copyright strike that part of the video. Why didn't they do the beginning? Because in the beginning, this right here is fair use, right? The car driving down the drag strip on that same live stream footage, this right here is content for me to use. So there's no problem with this, but if I have Jay Leno talking, that's the issue. So it's like, what is going on here? I mean, I can show you another example. If I put the live stream footage, cause you've seen some of my videos where I put pieces of the video into like a laptop or an old TV screen. When people were talking inside of that little box, they were totally fine. That's not a copyright strike. But if I play this full screen and talk over it, that's a copyright strike. But if I have it within like a little laptop box, it's not a copyright strike. So it's like, I mean, I just want people to be consistent. If you're gonna copyright strike me because I did something wrong, then copyright strike me because I did something wrong. If you're gonna copyright strike me for certain segments, then copyright strike me for every segment that I used, right? I literally just showed you in the very beginning of my video for like 30, 40 seconds. The car is running down the drag strip. You see Tim Kniss down the bottom, and that's not a copyright strike. They even copyright striked my Mac Hate video, right? And a little part right here where I basically have Tim Kniss and Chris Hansen, that right there is a copyright strike. Them two literally talking. So I'm gonna play a little clip of it, see if I don't get copyright strike. I hope you can pull some strings to make this situation right, because I already know of the few influencers that you already pulled strings for to get them cars, so you can have some free advertising on YouTube while Dodge has a down year next year, get rid of the Hemi engine out of all of their cars. So hope one of you guys make this right, because I'm gonna email you and I hope everyone shares. So that right there is a copyright strike. My call to action for Dodge to fix the situation for the Soldier and his D170, that's a copyright strike. Tim Kniss and Chris Hansen, the guy from Overhauling, they are not talking at all, period. So there's not even any audio played, but just having Tim Kniss face on the screen is a copyright strike. I'm like, come on, man. And then look, this part right here, after that section, this right here is not a copyright strike. So I got the same footage inside of this laptop, and that's not a copyright strike. So I'll play this section right here.
Drawn together with common interests. I guess we have kind of a bond. And that bond was tested recently. And it wasn't on your side, it was on ours. Now, sure, some of you got a little nasty behind your keyboards, but when we deserve it, we deserve it. And to be honest,
so that right there is not a copyright strike. So I'm going like, somebody needs to be consistent here. Because that's what I'm saying. Like, me telling this executive exactly what the problem is not going to fix the issue that someone is going to probably come back and cherry pick my particular videos because I use this as fair use when I'm talking about something else, right? I'm literally talking about the Soldier and his D170 getting snatched by a dealer and sold to somebody else over Christmas. I'm literally talking about that. And this section of the video has caused so much change in the last 3 months that someone's gonna give me a copyright strike for it, right? If I didn't film this section of the video right here, the Soldier would not got him a new D170. This right here basically gave Dodge the idea to strip that contest of a D170 days before it actually happened. Because who would have thought that they would have stripped dealers of a contest for a car? I basically did a call to action to Dodge. And what did we see over the next few weeks, right? We saw like 2 days into this video, Dodge stripped the contest. We saw that, hey, Jay Leno, he gonna do delivery with a Soldier and his D170 at his garage, right? We seen, you know, all the other YouTubers, we all banded together. We literally caused a nationwide outrage over a Dodge dealers still screwing customers badly, and then over Christmas for someone deployed overseas. This section of the video caused so much change that it's a copyright strike. Me just having Tim Knisses talking right here in the very beginning, me having Tim Knisses talking right there in the beginning, that's a copyright strike. But me having Tim Knisses in his damn laptop talking, that's not a copyright strike. Like, come on, man. So I hope Motortrend sees this and go like, look, this is ridiculous, man. Like, it shouldn't have to take me talking to Dodge to talk to you to call in a favor to pull off your damn lawyers from this damn nonsense. It shouldn't have to take that, man. And that's one thing that's getting my nerves over these past couple months, right? I'm tired of having to go up to the highest levels of Dodge for stuff at the lower levels to get fixed, right? I shouldn't have had to go to damn Dodge at the higher level to, you know, call them out to, you know, fix the issue where the guy's car was not welded properly, you know, at the plant, and then they had to go and override their people below them to fix something. I'm like, it just getting to the point where I'm going like, come on, man, it just get ridiculous. And now instead of doing my daily thing where I'm talking to people every single day to fix issues with the D170s, I got to deal with this crap now. I got to go take time out of my day that I don't already have, because as you can see, I'm over here traveling, which is why you see a lot of times I don't really make YouTube videos. So I had to basically modify my PC and put in like this little tiny case. That way I can actually record videos on the road. So that's basically, you know, why I don't really make videos, because I'm traveling, I don't have time to make videos. So I got me a whole brand new setup and stuff so I can actually record more videos and talk about more dealer issues. But here I go with the same nonsense of having me distracted with this stuff. Motortrend got 7 million subscribers. 7 million subscribers. You know, how many subscribers I got? I only got 32,000 subscribers. Like, come on, man.
For CEO.
Come on, man. I mean, really? So I guess the moral of the story is, do not even include Motortrend in anything that you even say. Don't even quote them in articles. Now I'm going like, hey, if I even quote a Motortrend article and actually show their letterhead, is that copyright infringement? I'm like, come on, man. So I know now going forward to never even quote Motortrend, because I never know if somebody in their lower levels, I'm not saying the executive is, but I'm saying someone in the lower levels of Motortrend, they might be in their fields and copyright strike me if I actually even comment on a story that they've done. So I just hope they just go ahead and drop this nonsense. Like, come on, man. Like, I mean, but whatever, man. So let me know what you guys think. Until the next time, man, I got better things to worry about. I gotta save the brotherhood from Dodge. I got way better things to worry about. So I think if anything, if they don't drop this within like a week or two, I'm just gonna just re-download the videos, blur them stupid sections out, and just go about my business, and just never going forward. No one ever quotes Motortrend on anything, because you never know if somebody in their legal department, or I don't know if it's even Motortrend, maybe it's their parent company Discovery, is gonna be in their field. So let me know what you guys think. Until the next time, man, I'm out.